Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today's product is very nice. And so this is a charger station from Anker, and Anker, the world's #1 mobile charging brand. So I think if you have ever used the product, we know that you will know that this brand focuses on the for Anker's focus on charger to provide power bank, cable, and lots of charging devices, and they really did good on the charging and power bank industry. And I think even they do good, even better than the watch, the Apple products. And this time they provide Anker 3-in-1 cube with Magsafe device. So this is a charger cube. It's a 3-in-1 product, and it supports Magsafe and 3-in-1 adjustable phone charging surface. It's compact. So yes, today we will have a very simple and quick and very quick unboxing video about this device for Anker, the Anker 3-in-1 cube with Magsafe. So the box is very simple. It's a very simple design box, and in the side of this package we find that it's a 50-watt charging with Magsafe, and also it's ideal size for traveling, and also it can be adjustable phone charging surface up to 60 degrees, and also they provide UK and Europe adapters include. So this very nice and convenient design product. And also at the back of the package we can find the details about the specification. And here is the 15 the choice of 80-minute happy users worldwide, and fast charging through leading technology, and 18 months hassle-free warranties. So this is pretty nice. Next, I'm going to open it and show you what this product looks like. So after we open it, okay, the product is just in front of us. Whoa, it's so high-end. This is like the mirror reflection for this part, and this is for the adjustable, and it's have a cuber design. And here I think it's for the Magsafe charging, and here I think it's for the watch. Yeah, for this we can press it, and then it will go out, and we can take it out, and just another press, it will go inside. And this product looks so high-end. I really like the sand polishing surface material surface, and also here Anker logo looks so high-end. And also here at the bottom of the device is a very nice design, anti-move, and I think not so easy to get moved. So before we go to test this product, next I'm going to show you the other accessories inside the box. So here, besides this, the cube here, okay, it's well, I think this is a special mark, I think for the France market, maybe. Yes, and here is the quick start guide about the cube. Yes, here TWS case, and for smartwatch, and also for the Apple here, the iPhone. So this is why they call it 3-in-1. And here is the user manual, I think. Yeah, so this is the user manual. So these are the user manual. These are the papers inside this box. The visual guide, quick guide, the user manual, and also here under this we can find that they provide here, let's take it out. Okay, here I think this is for the UK and European adapter. Yeah, so this is the adapter for the European and UK market. So you no need to buy different plugs. So they provide one solution. They provide the best solution for you. You just need to change it when traveling or go other countries. So these countries, and also here is the charger. They provide Type C to Type C charger. This is the cable. Yeah, Type C to Type C charger, and also here the pin. This part you can adjust it like this. So this is also very convenient. The device is very convenient, and I think the really special design is for the charging for different plugs, because it's very, I'm sure it's very cool. If you go to UK, you just need put this, and then if you go to European countries, just need to do this. Yeah, so this is very convenient. You just need to slot it, the plug here to this, and you can charge it and put this to the power strip. And if you go to UK, you just need to slot this. Yes, so this is very convenient, and just need to put this to the power strip. So this is pretty nice and very convenient to use for design for the charger. I think every brand should do this. No need to buy extra plugs, and very convenient. And so yeah, next time I'll show you how to use this. This is the Type C to Type C charger, and support 15. Okay, just connect to the cable, and then this side, this end, connect to the charge cube. And then here we will plug it. Okay, let's put this side by side. And then next, I'm going to show you how it will charge the devices. Then adjust this. Yeah, here. And this is for TWS. Yes, like this. Now it's charging. Yeah, from this angle. This. Then put your smartwatch here, so it fills the charger. And the last, you just need put your iPhone here, and now if you get it, your iPhone get a charging now. So this is pretty nice. So it's a 3-in-1 devices. Yeah, we can take a close look. Yes, now it's charging. This is for the watch, and this is for the charging case. Yeah, it's charging. And also this is for the iPhone. Okay, pretty cool. Yeah, so this is the Anker 3-in-1 cube with Magsafe. What do you think of such product? It's unique and it's high-end. Thanks for watching, and I really hope you like this video. Bye bye.